I am gonna go to Trader Joe's right now to do my grocery shopping for the week. Guys, I just came back. I'm gonna do a really quick haul of what I got from Trader Joe's. I also went to Target, so I'm gonna start with what I got from there first. Olive oil, peanut butter, Chobani Greek yogurt. Now for my Trader Joe's haul. Cherry tomatoes, regular tomatoes, mushroom, cheddar cheese, strawberries, blueberries, tuna, rice cakes, eggplant, green onion, asparagus, 6 eggs, organic bananas, orange, chicken breasts, pita bread, tofu, feta cheese, salmon, avocado, cashews, granola. Here is what I'm eating for my first meal of the day. Green tea and a sweet potato. Cheers. I completely forgot that was hot tea. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. I'm gonna finish this and then I will talk to you again later. Time is 7:08. I'm gonna have salmon for dinner and I'm gonna have it with vegetables. I'm actually starving. I'm cooking zucchini, squash, and asparagus. I'm also trying to minimize using oils when I cook, so I'm just doing it with water. Here's my salmon. I'm gonna put it in the oven right now. Okay, see you in 20 minutes. Oh my god, it looks so good. I'm so excited. First bite, cheers. I'm watching Ugly Betty. I started it yesterday, last night. I'm on episode 7. I actually love it so much. I think it's my new go-to show because I've been in need of one. Also, let me know if you guys have any TV show recommendations, because once I finish this, whenever that'll be, I'll need to find a new show.
Your coffee?
I think that's why you're here. I don't like to brag, but...
Are you that familiar with everyone yet?
Hello, good morning. Welcome to day 2. It's currently 1:21 p.m. Organic ginger turmeric tea. Gonna have this and I'm gonna do some editing, and then later in the day I might go on for a little walk to a park. I got these tofu pockets from H Mart, and this is my first time making this at home, and I'm so excited because this is one of my favorite foods when I was in Korea during exchange. This is how they come in, and each package comes with these. Update from a lot later. It's currently 9:58 p.m. I didn't eat anything since lunch because I did have it quite late at like 4 or 4:30. I'm not really too hungry, so I'm skipping actual dinner, but I'm gonna make like a little light snack for myself. I'm gonna use these organic brown rice cakes from Trader Joe's. I'm gonna make a peanut butter banana rice cake. Oh, okay. These are so thin and fragile. This one already broke in half. Cheers. I'm gonna have this as my late night snack slash dinner. And then I will see you guys tomorrow for the next day. Bye bye. It is 2:27 p.m. I am having my first meal of the day. I'm having a sweet potato and 8 ounces of chicken breast. This is again the same ginger turmeric tea. I don't really like chicken. It's like my least favorite meat, but cheers, it's healthy. I'm waiting on the Zoom right now. It's exactly 3 o'clock. I'm gonna start my Zoom meeting any moment now. Wish me luck. I'm so nervous. Oh my, I'm on. Update guys, I just finished my meeting, 4:09 p.m. It is snack time. I'm going to be making a watermelon salad.
We've been looking all over for you. Please come with us.
Read it for the article.
Isn't the bitch who stole Chris? Ow!
Amanda.
For dinner, we are going to be using these rice cakes. 6 of these are for 1 serving. 6 of these are just 110 calories. How crazy is that? But honestly, they're so thin. I'm just gonna make a bunch of like toasts. So healthy. I broke the other yolk. I'm gonna actually. How beautiful is my presentation? I actually ended up making 2 of each. 2 avocado toast with eggs, 2 regular avocado toast with honey and red pepper flakes, and then 2 mozzarella tomato. Cheers. Next, we'll take a bite of my egg avocado toast. Now a bite of the mozzarella tomato one.
What are you doing? Paisley, we didn't.
It's 3:41. I'm starving. I'm gonna make myself a Greek yogurt bowl. So I'm gonna make my Greek yogurt bowl in this bowl. It's like strawberry themed. How cute is this? I got this from a store called Tesso. It's so like mukbang core. I'm going to be making this dish for the first time. I don't really know what to call it. It's more a Chinese infused flavored eggplant type of dish. Oh my god. I just cut myself. Oh my god, I hate this knife. Okay, BRB, I'm gonna put a band-aid. I just cut myself. Guys, I just put a band-aid. You could see the blood though, like coming from the band-aid. That is not good. I cut myself with this big ass knife. am not joking. If you guys could smell this, it smells so good. I don't even know what to call this dish. I like made it up. Enoki mushroom. I just made myself literally the most massive salad. I put romaine hearts, lettuce, spinach, bell pepper, cherry tomatoes, 8-ounce chicken breast, black beans, lemon, balsamic vinegar, and half of an avocado. And I'm pretty sure that's everything I put in here.
In the lecture. Never mind, flashback to listening to these lectures while driving in our book called Just Wait Till We're Diamond by her. This was read to us.
Hello, I am rushing eating right now because I have a Zoom meeting at 12:30 and it's 12:15. I made myself some cornflakes for my breakfast. I haven't had this in like years, like over 5 years. I'm talking with my sister on the phone, so I'm just gonna have this while I talk with her until my Zoom. For less than 400 calories. Are you kidding me? This is the first time I made bacon at home. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This looks so good. It's currently 3:45. My meeting went well. Cheers. One big bite with everything. Wow, I don't really like how defined my eye bags look like. Oh my god! My eye bags are terrible, or maybe it's just, no, it's definitely my eye bags. Wow. Guys, I fell asleep last night at 4 a.m. and I only slept 5 hours because I had to get up early. It's 8:04, if this focuses, 8:05 right now, p.m. and I'm gonna make dinner. I wanna tell you what I'm gonna make. I'm thinking of making fajitas, but I'm gonna be making it with beef. And I've never made it with beef. I always make it with shrimp. Oh, I could do shrimp actually. I'm gonna be making fajitas and I'm gonna be using beef because I got that when I went to Trader Joe's. So I have to use it before it goes bad. Okay, welcome to my kitchen. I still can't get over my eye bags. I feel like I look really rough right now. Let's cook.
Flowers.
I want to hear your excuses. Betty, you're the one person I always counted on being on my side.
What the hell?
And you betrayed. How could I ever trust you again?
Daniel, please.
Just stop.
How
Look at you.
yummy. Wow.
You're fired.
Cheers.
You.
You're at this place too. Hey, that's my buddy.
Really, that. It's important.
Wow.
No, actually, I haven't.
Like to lick some of that. You ever try?
It's my first day of work.
Hello, last day of my vlogging eating of the week. I'm going to be having a Persian type of breakfast, lunch. I used to have it a lot when I was like a kid for snacking if I was just hungry throughout the day, like before dinner or something. We were making sandwiche ironi, you know, Persian version, you know. We are making Persian food. Okay, so anyways, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna make that. Guys, I've been deprived of Persian food. I'm Persian, by the way, if you didn't know. I never really said I was Persian on my channel. I don't think so. Now you know, I'm Persian. Iraniyam, Irani hastam. I am Persian, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna make my sandwich. I'm gonna use this pita bread. This is my first time opening the pita bread, and I thought I didn't have to refrigerate it or put it in the freezer until after I opened it. It's already molding. This half isn't molded, but I know that mold spreads though, like just because it's molded here, like, okay, I'm crouching down so you can see me in the frame. I had to unfortunately throw the pita bread away, and I feel so bad because I don't like wasting food at all. But there are just mold spots on all the breads and they're touching each other, and I've seen a photo of how mold spreads even if you just cut out the part that has the mold. I'm doing a plan B. I'm making another Persian dish because I'm in a Persian food mood, you know. Right now, I'm just making my salad. I chopped up cucumbers and tomatoes. Now I'm just gonna add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I love it so much. Absolutely obsessed. Tiny bit salt, tiny bit oregano. Look at that, yum. Mix it all now. I'm gonna use 2 eggs. 1, 2. These are my eggs. I'm just gonna break the yolk. Add some salt. My eggs look so depressing because I'm not using olive oil. I just put water, so it's not the best. I like olive oil, but you know. Since I'm being healthy and all, I crumbled up some feta cheese and I'm gonna add this on top of my eggs. I'm also gonna add some dill weed, or as we say in Farsi, some shivid. I like putting a lot, but not too much because then it tastes a little bitter. Oh my goodness, yummy. I think the egg's fully cooked on the side, so I'm just gonna flip it over. The cheese also gets a little cooked and a little like burnt. I have a little bit of rice, so I'm just gonna put this on top of the rice. This is literally perfection. Oh my god, I haven't had this in so long. It's such a basic, simple meal, but it's so good. I have my meal. So excited to eat. Today I had such a productive day. I'm doing an internship this summer, and I did that the whole day. I got back home at like 3:50, basically 4, and I didn't realize how late it is. It's 5:07. Cheers. I bought this apple cider vinegar from Trader Joe's, but it's not as vinegary, which I don't like. I like super vinegary, but usually for Persian meals, we have it with basmati rice. This is not basmati rice, so that's a lot better with this, but it's still rice, so it's still good. Hello guys, not too much later because I had my lunch pretty late. For my dinner, I'm gonna be making yellow Thai curry. Gonna do that. I'm gonna be making it with shrimp, and I have the shrimp in the freezer actually, so I'm gonna take that out for it to thaw, and then I'm gonna cut all my vegetables. Yeah, that's it. Okay.